Hey, my dear friends, it's UUTAi again. It's my second lesson of how to play on Jewish harp or hummus. I will call it hummus because in our republic we call it hummus. And I'm sorry again from my not perfect English, but I guess again that your Russian is not so perfect like my English. Okay, guys, so here we go now. If it's your first time you see my lessons, I recommend you please watch my first lesson about how to put the hummus inside your mouth correct and how to have a good right sound. Today we will try to change this simple sound. I will tell you how you can change the sound with your lips, with your fingers, with your breathing, with everything what we have in our body, because our body it's a continue of hummus. You know that hummus don't have any sound without us. So you are and our hummus it's one whole thing. Okay, I'm sorry for my English, but I hope that you understand me. So now we put our hummus inside our mouth between our teeth. I hope you remember how to do it correct. You took this ring, okay, take it hard, but don't push here on decks, never, because it will be not good sound. Okay, push on your teeth with this hand, yeah, and the end of hummus need to be on your main teeth here, like this. Yeah, it's correct. And our simple sound, like this. It's a super simple sound, it's a basic. But now we will change it with our lips. What we need to do to change sound with lips? We need to do like this. We need to say, "Ow, wow, 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 wow," like we say, "Wow, wow, wow, wow." So now we need to training our mouth. Let's do it together. Ow, wow, 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 wow. Ow, wow, wow, ow, wow, wow. Ow, wow, 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 wow. Now we do it without sound, without voice, like fish. Ow, wow, wow, wow. Not sound, not voice. Mute. Okay. It will be our first changing of sound. Wow. Simple vibration, and we try to do it with hummus. Let's try it together. First time you can do it slowly because your mouth is not used to do it very fast, but with time it will be very fast and beautiful, and with this simple wow wow you can make a beautiful melody like this. It's a simple vibration. We will call it wow simple vibration with our lips. So you need to training every day. You can do it during watching TV or driving, and every time you need to training your mouth, your lips. Wow 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 wow, and don't be very quickly. We have time, we need to do it with pleasure, with satisfaction. How it in English, I don't know, but you need to be happy. You have to be happy because this instrument, it's really key of happiness, key of clearness of your soul and heart. and in our next lessons we will talk more about it. We will open many interesting things about this simple instrument. It looks very simple, but you know, believe me, I will show you all the secrets of this one, and we will do magic music together. So I say bye bye to you now, and I hope that you will training every day till my next lesson. I will show you many interesting things. Bye bye. Ow, ow, ow.